welcome to Campus News 24 into 7. Today we will talk about how OUP organized a workshop on implementation of NCF for maths teachers. The University of Oxford's Oxford University Press India OUP organized a workshop on the effective implementation of NCF 2023 for mathematics at the foundational and preparatory stages for teachers in Delhi. According to a press release, the new and revised edition of its flagship mathematics series, New Enjoying Mathematics, was introduced during the workshop by OUP's renowned author Asha Lata Badami. The press release further states that new education policy, that is NEP 2020 and National Curriculum Framework NCF 2023 aligned mathematics course uses an activity-oriented approach aimed to eliminate math phobia and enhance cognitive, creative and physical development in students. Speaking at the event, Asha Lata Badami said, "This revision focuses on current trends in maths education, addressing the immediate context of a child's world while incorporating 21st century skills such as communication, creativity, critical thinking, and collaboration." Before, OUP worked with the Central Board of Secondary Education, that is CBSE, to develop the research-based Think, Share, Learn, Practice TSLP program, through which teachers gain skills in curriculum design and teaching practices based on experiential learning, which is rooted in the Indian ethos, said the press release. For more such information, please visit Campus News 24 into 7. Thank you.